Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get free diamonds in 99 nights in the forest game on Roblox. Okay, first of all, join the 99 nights in the forest game, and then you can go to this menu, guys, and click on codes. Okay, and this is the code that you need to redeem to get free diamond. So you just need to type in after party, and then you will get 15 diamonds for free. And I have already redeemed this code. And the next one, if you want to get candies, you can type in Happy Halloween like this, and you will be able to get 10 candies. Okay, and again, I have already redeemed the code. And you can try it by yourself, guys, to get free diamonds in 99 nights in the forest game on Roblox. And for the candies, you can go to this NPC and open the shop, and you can spend your candy here to buy a lot of things. And yeah, okay guys, that's how we can get free diamonds in 99 nights in the forest. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!